All right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you, and you may remember this guy, Ray, is back with us. Ray, we did your surgery about a year or so ago, maybe a little over. Awesome results. We'll talk about it, but thank you for doing this. Welcome back.
Thank you.
How did the year go, man? Be honest.
Yeah, it was very easy. Hair didn't come in fully till about month 4 to 6.
Right.
But yeah, once it did.
Which
yeah,
we shared. That was a little frustrating for you. It was a little scary at first. We talked about that a little bit.
Yeah. I mean, I just didn't really do the proper research and was expecting maybe it to happen a lot sooner than expected.
Right. Yeah, and in the first couple of weeks it was a little rough with the not exercising. That I remember that being tough for me. But once the hair started coming in, looks like it filled in pretty damn well.
Yeah, I mean, after the first couple of weeks, it was pretty much just sit and wait and normal everyday life.
Very nice. Awesome, man.
Yeah, great results. Happy I did it.
Friends, family, wife all recognize it and like it.
Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah,
that's so cool.
Like, oh my God, you have hair.
That's awesome, man. That's very cool. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you just look down for me, and we did basically the whole top. You know, the crown basically had nothing in it. A little bit in the front, but and we'll show the before pictures as well too.
Yeah, 3 layers basically.
Yep. We weren't expecting necessarily to get all that, but you had some good density, so we were able to cover the whole thing.
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah. And then I'm going to have you, awesome. And then I'm going to have you look to the right and sort of hold that pose for a sec. Look to the left. Beautiful. And nothing in the back. Any problems with the scar at all?
No, not really.
Very cool.
Yeah, I mean, it's a little, if I go like crew cut like to 1 or 1.5, it kind of goes. But if I just go with like a normal like 2 on the side, no chance.
Good. That's the way it should be. Awesome, man.
Yep.
Very cool. Well, in what we talked about before is guys with your hair type, again, in that 30 to 40% range. Sometimes if you want that extra boost, sometimes that takes that second coat of paint as we talk about, which, may be in your future at some point. But the good news is you don't have to do it, but if you want to do
honestly, probably not. I mean, this is, honestly, I was expecting it to be good, but just not this good.
Awesome. That's awesome, man.
Really
that warms my heart. And you're out golfing yesterday and blowing it. That's cool. Very good. Well, man, I appreciate you doing this. Again, welcome to the family. Thank you so much. Hopefully this inspires somebody else.
Yeah. And so glad I did it. I mean, best decision ever.
Very cool. Awesome, man. Thank you so much. We'll talk soon, all right?
All right.
Take care.
Doctor.
Bye.